What's up guys, and welcome to the 30th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about structures within structures. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is type in struct date curly braces, and now type in int day, month, and the year. So close that off, and now type in struct again, employee this time. You'll see why I'm doing that in a minute. Curly braces, int employee number, just for short, float, salary, and then date hired. So close that off. Now go into the main program. That needs to be closed off as well. Now go into the main program, type int main employee Joe or whatever equals parentheses, not parentheses, curly braces, say 1, 2, 3, 4. So he's the 1234th employee that they've employed. His salary is about 30 grand. I would put a comma there, but it may cause confusion. So put another comma there, and now say when he was hired. So he was hired on the 5th of October or whatever. I'll just say he was hired on the 1st. So if I have another curly braces there, it's 1st of January 2015. That's when he was hired. Close that off once, close it off again, and now print all the values and things out. std cout new line employee, just put in a hashtag if you need it, Joe dot employee number. So I'll just copy this, paste that there. Next line, new line salary, Joe salary, so the date hired, new line, say date hired, semicolon or colon, Joe date hired. So that's the day. Copy all of this, just paste it a few times and then change what we need to. That could change to month, this can change to the year. Close that off. Okay, so now we have a program that shows structures within structures. So where it says date struct, we have just declared the date struct. Where it says date hired, we can say that we have declared an employee struct with a date member. And where it says 30 grand, we have instantiated and initialized an employee variable where it says 1/1/2015. Initialize the embedded date member. That's all you need to know. Then after that, it's just printing out all the variables and the values. So let's run this and see what we get. Build succeeded, and there you go. Just put a new line here. Run that again and see what we get. Should be the other way. Run that again. Okay, so a new line slash should be here as well. So if I run that again, okay, now everything's on a new line. We can sort this out. It's done. Run that again, and there you go. So the employee 1,234th employee, salary is 30 grand, and the day he was hired was the 1st of January 2015. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.